Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I am going to tell you about a new earning opportunity. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos on different earning opportunities, part-time jobs, and also about different investment opportunities. So I will recommend you to subscribe to the channel and also press that bell icon so that whenever I will post any earning opportunity, you do not miss that. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. So friends, the website that I am going to tell you about, the earning opportunity that I am going to tell you all about is very easy to do. It doesn't require any technical knowledge at all. Anyone can do it. Even if you are a student or a homemaker, you can do it. So let's get started with it. Okay, I'll tell you step by step the entire process how to earn with it. So be with me through the entire video so that you do not miss any important thing about it, right? So the website name is everve.net. Okay, and also you will find the same website name in the description. If you want, you can directly go there, or you just go to everve.net and come here, click on this sign in with Google and just make an account. If you do not have, just click on it and sign in with any of your Google accounts, right? Let me do it and meet you in the next step. I'll tell you what exactly needs to be done now. Okay, so guys, I have just logged in to Everve. This is the dashboard. As you can see, this will show your earnings. Okay, this will show your entire earnings that you have made, and I will now tell you how you can earn from here. So basically there are two steps how you can earn. One is automatic way. In the automatic way, you have to not do anything at all. You just have to keep the page open and it will automatically make money itself. Okay, you just have to keep this tab open and it will automatically make money for yourself. But this thing is only available in desktop mode. Okay, and it is not available for mobile. But there is another way, manual way, where you can also be able to earn from both mobile and desktop. Okay, so I'll show you both the ways, and the third way is the referral way. Okay, so the automatic way is just you have to keep the page open and money will be automatically made. In the manual way, you have to do some work and you will be getting paid for some works. Okay, so one is go to this perform tasks, right? Perform tasks, and you see there are different types of things that you can do. One is this traffic exchange, Twitter followers, Twitter likes, Twitter retweets. So I'll tell you, give 1 hour each day, not more than that. If you want to give, you can give, but if you can give 1 hour, you can easily earn $1 from it, right? $1, or yeah, $1 from it. So yes, how to do it? You can just go to this traffic exchange. I'll just tell you, I'll just show one thing. Okay, go to this traffic exchange, and then you can see a lot of things here. You can see, for one, just to visit this website, you'll get this amount. Just click on this view website. Okay, if you click on this, see, it is opening that website here, right? And there is a timer that is running over here, 26 seconds. Okay, once this is done, you can close the website and the amount will be credited to your balance. So it is very easy. You do not have to do anything. Just click on websites and you will be, this is one method, right, about visiting websites. And even if the website doesn't load, it doesn't mean anything. Okay, even if it doesn't load, it is okay. It is absolutely okay if it doesn't load. Okay, you will still be credited the money, right? So you can see, for 30 seconds viewing this, you can see now I have successfully completed the task and 0.010 has been credited to my balance. Okay, I'll go to the next. So similarly, there are a lot of different there are multiple different tasks. You can just go to the website, stay for 20 seconds or 30 seconds, and you can get the money, right? And it is only taking 30 seconds for one task, right? And then you can go and check different types of things. You can also uh, Twitter, you can also, if you have a Twitter account, I'll suggest, if you have a Twitter account, then you can get a very good amount of earn a very good amount of money from here. Just you have to follow them. Okay, here you even do not have to wait for 30 seconds. You just have to click this follow profile, and once it is once you click it, it will auto open it. Okay, the Twitter page will auto open, and you just have to click on this follow icon, right? Once you click on follow icon, it's done, right? It is done. And then you have to do nothing. It is just a auto timer that is running. Within 15 seconds, it will it will check if you have done it or not. Okay, if see it is now completed. Once you follow it, it will auto check if you have followed or not, and then it is completed. You just click on next step, and similarly you can follow a lot of profiles. There are a lot of profiles here. You can follow all and get a lot, earn a decent amount of money. So $1 should be your target each day, so that in 1 month you can easily earn $30. That is 2100 rupees. 2100, that is 2100 you can earn if you give 1 hour per day. Okay, this is Twitter followers. Also you can do the same thing over Instagram, YouTube, yeah, and also for normal websites. So this is a normal way of earning money from this side. Guys, one more thing that I want to tell you about is an automatic process that you can earn from Everve. That is, you do not have to do anything at all. You just have to keep this page open and it will automatically earn money for you. How is that possible? I'll tell you. And this is only possible, this automatic way is only possible through a desktop device and not from a mobile device. All the other things, that is following and visiting websites, can be done from mobile, but this particular thing can only be done from a desktop device. Now what is that? If you open the Everve main page, at the bottom left this thing, it will tell you about a extension. Okay, you just have to click this thing, and if it is not installed, you will see a link there here to install the extension. Okay, and you have to go and install the extension. And if you are not finding it, just Google Everve extension, right? If you search for Everve extension, it will take you, the first link will be the Chrome web store link. Okay, and you just have to add this. Okay, you just have to add this extension to Chrome, and it is done. Okay, you do not have to do anything from that. Now what is gonna happen, I'll tell you. And guys, once the extension is successfully installed on Chrome, you have to do nothing. Now the automatic process will start. Now what it will do is, it will follow some of the Instagram profiles automatically. Okay, you do not have to do anything. Even if you close this thing, it will see, this is a page that is auto opened, right? You can see this window is related to Everve extension, please do not close it. So this thing, you do not have to close this window. Okay, you can close this Everve page, but you just have to keep this open, and you can do anything else. So what it will do, it will auto follow some people in Instagram. Okay, it will just auto follow a few people in Instagram. Okay, and once it is following how and once it is following, you will get paid. Okay, and it is one more thing, it will not take your password. Okay, only after you log in, only when you will be logged in to your account already, then only this extension will work. Okay, so it will not require your password or anything. You just have to be logged in before installing this extension. Okay, so it will not take your password into consideration, right? So this is not something that you will worry about your password. So this is done. This is about the extension. This will automatically follow some Instagram profiles, and you will be able to earn money from it, right? And what is the payment process, I'll tell you. But before that, I will like to tell you about the contests. If you click on this contests, it will show you it will tell you all the different people that are currently present in this website. So you can see the top performer of today is someone Andy W, and he have already done 478 actions. Actions means one, when I opened one website, that means that was one action. So someone has already done 478 actions. Now it is only like a leaderboard, who has done what kind of tasks. If you see, I have done 2 tasks today. Okay, one was this website, and one was the Twitter follow. So okay, so 2 tasks. So similarly, someone has done already 478. This is only to make things competitive. Another one is affiliate. Okay, you can also refer your friends and earn 20% of their earnings, 20 to 25% of their earnings, right? This is about affiliate. This is another method of earning from here. Okay, and one more thing, how you can get the payment. Okay, so getting the payment here is the most important part. Any website that is present, the payment is the most important part, right? So how to get the payment? You have to click on this balance USD. Okay, after that you can see this withdraw funds, right? Click on this withdraw funds, and it will tell you the minimum amount to withdraw is $7. right? And if you make $1 per day, you can easily make $1 per day if you give enough time to this. And after that, within 7 days, you will be able to withdraw your money. Once you reach $7, you will be able to withdraw your money, right? And the withdrawal fee is 5%, right? 5% for Payeer. And what are the payment methods? Payeer, Yandex Money, and Kiwi. I will recommend you to only take Payeer as the option, because it is more convenient, and also the payment fees are much lower than others, right? So I will recommend you to take Payeer. So once you reach $7, you will be able to withdraw funds to your Payeer account, or if you want, you can also choose the other methods, right? So this is about the withdraw section, right? So that was it, guys, the entire process of Everve. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys will definitely earn some money from here. And if you like the video, please like it, share it with your friends, and also comment it and tell me how was the video about, right? And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, bye guys, take care, and guys, happy earning. I'll be back with a great video.